Hi, my name's Tom Reeve. I'm the editor of CCTV Image Magazine. We're here in Cork today at the Douglas Village Shopping Centre to find out how they're using Milestone XProtect and Axis cameras to provide some very interesting solutions to shopping centre management and security.
We want our customers to come in here and have a nice experience, so we need to make sure that they can get in with no issues, they can find their space, get the shopping trolley and just enjoy the visit in a nice, friendly and clean environment.
We have approximately 160 cameras alone in Douglas Village. So really the cameras are the eyes for the centre. You know, you can see the centre as a whole as opposed to trying to walk around and see every nook and cranny. Don't think we could manage without them, to be honest.
It's amazing how we keep finding new ways of using Milestone XProtect system. There's always a new idea that comes to our head, like could we get another report, could we take something more out of it? And most of the time, with the software, it is possible.
Milestone Systems and Axis Communications are proud to be associated with Douglas Village, Cork's latest and most prestigious new shopping centre. Spanning nearly 25,000 square metres, Douglas Village is home to a wide selection of brand new retail outlets, from family butchers to fashion boutiques. For the management team and its consultants, providing a safe and secure environment for tenants and customers was priority number one.
When it was time to do the Douglas Village project, we'd already done a similar project across in Douglas Court Shopping Centre. Over there, we'd actually gone through a whole evaluation process of various camera manufacturers, and to be honest, Axis was by far the best quality that we could find, and it was also very simple to deploy. Similarly, when it came to actually looking at what we're going to use for our back end for recording, I think at that stage we looked at 2 to 3 main suppliers, and again decided on Milestone just because we really like the openness of the architecture, because we like to take what's out there and tweak it to suit our needs.
Occupying a visible position alongside the car park's entry and exit ramps, the state-of-the-art control room is a clue to just how fundamental video surveillance is to the day-to-day operation of the shopping centre. Masterclass, one of Ireland's top systems integrators, had the advantage of opting for a fully IP solution from the outset, and it's being put to good use.
All PCs within the control room are all running Milestone XProtect client. Within the control room, we've installed a built-in unit for the IVIS 70-inch cubes. Built into that, then we also have the lighting for the MAL, the fire alarm for the centre. Everything is actually tied into the one system, and it gives ease of use for the operator is phenomenal.
We have a fibre backbone going throughout the site which is used to carry all the IP traffic. So as well as the CCTV, we have a footfall system that goes across it. We have a building management system that goes across it. We have a digital signage system that goes across this IP backbone. In addition, we also broadcast live television throughout the site over this backbone.
The Milestone XProtect system has allowed us to integrate with a number of other systems, i.e. the access control, the intruder alarm, the intercom system.
We have 3 Milestone recording servers. Each of those has approximately 3 to 3.5 terabytes of storage. We keep approximately 12 days worth of footage live on the Milestone system. And then we have a server that's used for driving the footfall system. As part of this project, the client was also looking for a people counting system. We've tested a number of systems and we found the AVD people counting algorithm sitting on the Axis 209 camera. We found that was the most accurate at 95%. The beauty with the Milestone is we can just go back on a playback and look at cameras in that area instead of having to sit there and actually just physically count people come through, you know, so it's a lot faster that way.
Now, we tend to think of CCTV as being primarily a tool for security and crime prevention. But here at the Douglas Village Shopping Centre, they're using Milestone XProtect and Axis cameras for a great deal more than that.
It's really a fantastic management tool that helps us watch the site and know what's going on.
Obviously, they are security cameras and we do track people, but mainly it's to manage stairwells, fire exits.
CCTV is just vital when it comes to all the back of house areas, that they're all cleared, etc., that there's no obstacles in the way. It's a big thing to be able to just come in and look at it, and I can see everything in a matter of minutes.
The guy in control room can just have a look, make sure that all the fire corridors are clear, that the service yard is clean and tidy, that there's no unauthorized parking in the service yard, that people delivering are not abusing it by coming and doing the delivery and then staying.
So time management wise, absolutely brilliant.
The centrepiece of the IP security solution at Douglas Village is the car park guidance system.
To tie in with the car park guidance system, we installed 6 number ANPR cameras. The operator always knows what spaces are taken within the car park. He gets an alert if someone is there for 3 hours. When you drive in, we have an LED over every space.
Our customers are just delighted with that. Basically, they come in and the green lights or the red lights are showing our customers which spaces are free at the moment, which spaces are taken.
There's actually 3 hours free parking within the car park, and if you're here for any longer than 3 hours, that light turns blue. Now, we're not trying to get people out. If you're staying for more than 3 hours, we'd like you to just let us know, and we'll know that your light will turn blue.
As well as policing the car park, the ANPR cameras can also detect the arrival of those customers most in need of help.
We have a lot of regular customers coming in here, and see some of them need a scooter, maybe need a wheelchair, need assistance with shopping. We'd get to know them over time, and once we know they're coming in, they're tagged on a system, so when they come in, their car bleeps up to say they're on site.
One of our very good customers, very loyal customers that is with us for many years now, she's actually a disabled person. When she comes into the centre, the camera recognises registration number. The alert shows up on the video wall in control room, telling control room operator that our disabled customer has just arrived. Please make sure that someone assists her with the mobility scooter.
So we'd automatically get onto one of our own staff, be it security, somebody on the floor that will meet them and assist that customer.
So that's just one of the little things that we do to make sure that our customers are happy,
From the control room to the boardroom to the information points, network video is at the heart of almost everything that happens at Douglas Village, and access to the information it provides is never far away.
Obviously, if you want to check, see what's happening in the servers, we have remote access both from here, from head office and from my office. But we also have a little KVM system that lets us do troubleshooting on site. I'm going to finish, just put it away again.
For myself, walking around the site, we have a tablet PC which actually allows us to watch everything that is going on. As you walk on the mall, it works on wireless.
My own boss actually he can get the camera on his mobile phone, so he can check it at home if he wishes, which I don't know is a good or a bad thing. I mean, I couldn't imagine him without them either now, because it just makes life a lot easier. Yeah, in every aspect really, the runnings of a centre for day to day. So.
So it's the end of another busy shopping day here at the Douglas Village Shopping Centre. And one thing that we've learned from our visit is that if it wasn't for the Milestone XProtect software and the Axis cameras, they simply wouldn't be able to provide the level